Just like this. So make sure your paper is tall. Everybody. Jocelyn. Oh, Lorenzo's still writing. Now you need to make your paper tall. Thank you. Okay. So we're gonna make our graph. Our graph is gonna look like this. Okay. So I'll tell you how many spaces you need to go up. So I'm gonna count up 5 spaces, 5 up and 3 over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 spaces up and then 3 over. Okay. So that's what your paper should look like this. Whose music is that? Again? Didn't I already ask you to turn it down? It just has a mind of its own? Oh no, must be a fast cook. Okay, we're going to label this side. So if you turn your paper so that you can label that side. So along the top, this is going to be distance. Cup moved. And that's going to be in centimeters. Did everybody get a chance to do that? All right. So I'm gonna ask you to number from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 20, at least 20. You may have to go up further depending on what your furthest distance was, but at least 20 should be good. So every line is a centimeter. Okay. All right, last part, the very bottom. The very bottom, I'm going to count 6 and then make a line. So if you want to watch, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then my line's gonna go from here 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. So I counted 6 spaces over and drew my line back 5. And I'm going to do that again. I'm going to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's right there. And then one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. underneath, right here, we're gonna write height. And that's gonna be in centimeters. And then we're gonna write slash number of books. So on the lines, everybody ready? Well, underneath it. So at the top, we're gonna write centimeters because you're gonna tell me, you're gonna put how many centimeters. You have that written down. But underneath it, I'm gonna put 1 book. And then for the next line, I'm gonna put, again, centimeter at the top, 2 books. And then for the last one, centimeter, 3 books. You're fine. Okay, is there anybody who needs more time setting up? Okay, so this is what your paper looks like. Okay. So eventually you're gonna end up making a bar graph of how far the cup moved from on book 1, book 2, book 3. You'll have 3 bars.